Well, guys, give it a good look. This is where the E90 comes to an end. Sad to see it go. We only had it for about 3 months. I put it on Facebook for a part out, and I've never got so many Facebook messages in my life. It's a memorable day in the Wyatt Webster YouTube channel. It's the first time selling a car. This was Travis's baby girl. How we feeling?
I don't even know. All stirred up.
Wasn't even able to sleep last night. That's how much it's affected him. Stefan, how we feeling?
I'm gonna sleep tonight.
Oh, you're gonna sleep great.
He gone.
Dude comes with a truck and trailer in about 10 minutes. We're gonna see her on her way. I'm gonna miss that car. It's like, f that thing. I'm so glad it's gone.
You're sleeping good tonight,
Hey.
boy.
Oh, they stopped. They heard us. Why'd they stop?
He might have pulled up a YouTube video of us dumping it in the woods.
Yeah, he doesn't know about the YouTube. That's the only reason it's sold for what it's sold for. Now that we made room for another car, that means Wyatt's got to get another car. We almost there! Where's it at? Where's it at? Oh shit!
Now Wyatt can shut the f up.
The man.
Damn it.
I haven't said it yet, but I am indeed buying the 340 from this man himself.
You already fucking dude. I was gonna like do like fat reveal and stuff.
Oh,
yeah,
the car.
The car.
Teed up right now. Tea time.
Damn, son.
Tea time. Tea time like I got a cup of this shit. Tea time like golf at 5:45. I love the
Bro, the first car that has 2 keys that comes with it, and the first car that costs more than 10 grand.
I have one small surprise for you though. So if you look underneath the car, you can see the exhaust is a little bit shoddy. If you get low enough.
Okay, all right.
That's all right, but that's all right. But I got a little bit of a package for you.
You got a Valvetronic exhaust? Dog. Shout out Valvetronic. Damn. America. Yes, sir. This one's for Brandon from Valvetronic. That's a sexy man right there. If he was in PA right now, I'd kiss him. You know you bought it from the right guy when the car came with mods.
Oh yeah.
Stefan.
Oh yeah.
You got a jack?
Yeah, I'm like,
Gotta get naked from Valvetronic. Look at that.
That's
340 gains, boy. Valvetronic, baby. This is my favorite part. America.
America.
Need to get me a Ford next. Damn. Wait, does that have a muffler delete? Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. So we're in business. This is so weird. This is mine now. This is weird. This is so weird. And it's even got cold AC. It hasn't hit me yet. Like it hasn't sunk in.
It's not going to. It's not going to for a while.
This is my vehicle.
Oh yeah, you got the check though?
Oh yeah.
He brought in cash. That's what he brought.
I bet.
It's the best you could do.
We go with that?
Yeah.
All
We're doing business, man. Business done, man.
Done deal. It's my vehicle, boy. God damn.
Stefan's really looking at that 7 Series right there.
We can't do this, Stefan.
L, wait till you see
can't
the
do
back
this.
seat in that.
No, we came here to get 1 car and 1 car only.
Technically, we came here to get 2 because we gotta get mine.
Yeah, but not 3.
3's a good number.
3 is a good number. I'll take it.
You can get busy in there.
do some dirty
You can get more than busy.
You can do some
Mackin'.
mink.
Wyatt could stand up back there.
All right, that was too far. That's where I draw the line.
Look what we just found.
You can't drive a 340 without glasses. What's that thing want to race over there? Wait till I get my burble tune on this thing, then I'm a true BMW
It does burble.
boy.
Hey, I'm popping, you're not.
My car's got 2 keys.
Yeah, so does mine.
Dude, that sounded like a quadruple check engine light.
He's got PTSD.
Bro, I thought I beat the game up misfires with that sound.
What? What happened?
Dude, I drive an N54.
Oh, you heard that? You're like,
N54 boys, I'm sorry.
He's like, I'm out.
Yeah, this you can change to like the white, and then they're in here.
You can change the color of the LEDs?
Yeah, but it's only, dude, his car smells like shit.
What in my head?
Forgive Wyatt. He's born and raised in N54.
I'm an N54 boy, this is crazy. Damn, that's the only thing I can think of.
Is that new car feeling?
I don't even know what to say. Last time I bought a nice car was 2019 when I bought 335. Appreciate you, big dog.
Go into a good home, man. A good home.
All right, so we picked up the car from Shane. Now it is a base model 340, and I know I'm gonna get some shit for it, but I think it'll be better for content because then I can throw all the bumpers and steering wheels and shit on it. I'm super excited about this car. I mean, it hasn't really sunk in that it's my car yet. I mean, I feel like I'm driving somebody else's car. My 335 boys, I am not leaving you, don't worry. The E92 is going nowhere. There's still BM54 content, but now we gotta shoot over to New Jersey because when we were at Q's Motorsports, Stefan left his 135 in New Jersey, so we gotta go pick it up. It's an hour and a half drive with no plates on the car. It's 10:30 on a Tuesday. We're about to start up an LS twin turbo 135.
Anyone within like a 5-mile radius, I am so sorry. Oh, 2 miles? How far does 2 miles get me?
Atco is about 2 miles away by car.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Now I'm on my way to Dom Tracy's house.
Hey! Yo, get him running on the pike! Let's go right now! He said, I'm not worried about that shit, something. First day with the 340, we're already racing it. Look at him.
Oh my God. He's wilding out. Sorry to interrupt the video, but if you know me in real life, you know that the first thing I do when I step outside my car is lock it. Because the last thing I want is for someone to break into my car and take any of the valuables that I have inside my car. So if you're like me and you never leave your car unlocked, then why would you go on the internet without being protected? Using the internet without ExpressVPN is exactly like just leaving your car unlocked in a parking lot. So think of big cell phone service companies as like random people walking by looking at your nice car. Big companies like AT&T and Verizon and all the other cell phone carriers, they always look at what you're doing on the internet at all times. Things like every single link that you've clicked on, website you've looked at, even how much time you spend on them. And what makes it worse is they take your personal data and sell it to ad companies. So that's why I've been using ExpressVPN. When I'm online shopping for car parts or looking at car YouTube videos and stuff like that, the last thing I want is for any company to sell my personal data for money. And ExpressVPN puts a stop to it all. It literally sets up an entire encrypted tunnel for you and funnels your traffic through their servers, so that way you're perfectly safe. And the best part about ExpressVPN is it's easy as clicking the button on your key to lock your car. You literally just download the ExpressVPN app and at the touch of one button, you're protected on the internet. And make sure to use the link in the description to figure out how to get 3 months free on expressvpn.com/Wyatt.
What you wanna do, yo? We'll edit it.
That shit fast as fuck.
Yeah. But it is a V8, and it also does cost 30 grand more than this, so like...
Yeah, I'd hope so.
Yeah, I would hope so too. Let's just do a dig, but give us the hit. It's completely stock.
I
just
bought
got it.
4 hours ago.
Big Daddy B58. And you're taking his girl, Wyatt. Oh! Dad! Damn!
That shit fast.
Crash?
You just hit the fucking Camaro.
You're lying. I don't even want to look. Like I'm being dead ass. It's like that.
Oh my God. Center pretty good, buddy. Oh my God, bro. Guess that's what happens on a Tuesday in Jersey.
I don't know what to say right now because I'm like, I don't know. If that was my car, wow.
Oh, I'd be shitting.
I recorded all of that.
So did he.
So did I.
Bro.
I recorded everything.
And bro, I don't know. What did this night turn out to be, bro?
But good, you know I got the wheel. Like what?
Yeah.
Like that's
My Camaro
crazy.
takes hits though, bro.
Hey, yeah, that bitch did eat
My
it.
car should be dented in, bro, a little bit.
It's dented, all right.
Day 2 as a 340 owner. It's starting to sink in a little bit more that this is my car. So I have a 3.5 hour drive home and we got no tags on the car. So pray for me that I don't get pulled over. I'm not gonna lie, it's been the biggest difference ever as far as like interior, going from E chassis to F chassis now. The fact that I have cold AC and my mile per hour on my windshield is insane. First stop, we gotta hit Frankie's house, show him the car.
Brother, man, this thing is sweet.
Then we had to go by Mason and Travis.
You can't sell this car to me right the fuck now.
I think you can.
No. Travis, I'm just not looking at it for a car, man. Why would I want to buy a car right now?
You want to buy this car? 400 horsepower from factory, all right?
400 horsepower. It don't make 400
Roughly.
but don't lie to me, man.
Like 360. Smooth as a whistle. You ever heard about the 2Js?
A couple times.
Yo, this is like the brand new one, all right? So you know how serious them are? That's how serious this is.
Got a back seat for them big girls. I know you like those.
Other than the big girls in the back, why do I need this car?
Man, you have to cut it because I don't know.
I told you. The motherfucker couldn't sell me a piece of paper.
I don't know what you want me to tell you. I'm not no salesman.
Look who I ran into. Just a little twin turbo LS. Ain't nothing to it. I'm trying to get a run in. What you want to do? Hold on a second, fellas. It's stock. That motherfucker dead, right? Good God. I'm not gonna lie, he ain't pulling me too good for this thing being stock, though. I'd say that thing did all right. At least mine has brake lights.
It's gonna take a lot more than meat beaters flipping them little flapper stickers to beat this thing.
Hey. Hey.
No. Stop.
You might win races, but we got comfort access over here.
You're in your car, dude.
Car's first time at the shop, Wyatt's bank account. That's how much I have left in my account. But we have a slew of mods for this car already. I just got to get the car past Maryland inspection. So pretty much just let me know what you guys want to see with this build. This is going to be a full-blown build. It's going to be faster than that piece of shit. As you can see, we pulled the motor out of it because I'm selling it. It's going to be a part out. That car's a part out. So let me know. No, I'm just with you. I'm not a part of it. That's not that motor. That's a secret project. I'm keeping the E92. It's got problems, but we're gonna be focusing on the F30 a little bit. Let me know what you guys want to see with it. And the car is fully sponsored by Shop Webby, so shout out to that man.
Tea time like I got a cup of this shit. Tea time like golf at 5:45.